Are you looking to track customer interactions effectively in TeamGate CRM? Whether you're new to the software or just want to explore its features, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to track customer interactions in TeamGate CRM, and stick around till the end because I'll share an exclusive offer along with some strong alternatives that could be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive into it. First off, tracking customer interactions in TeamGate CRM is pretty straightforward. It allows you to monitor every touchpoint with your customers, ensuring you never lose sight of important conversations. TeamGate automatically logs all activities like calls, emails, and meetings and organizes them into your customer profiles. This means you get a complete history of interactions with a simple click. It's a great way to stay on top of every deal and know exactly where you stand in the sales process. Next thing, the software offers a useful Activities tab where you can manually add or edit customer interactions, such as phone calls, meetings, and emails. You can even add notes or set reminders for follow-ups. It's a good way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks and all your customer data stays up to date. Moving on, one of the key features of TeamGate is its Deals section. Here, you can track customer interactions linked directly to specific deals or opportunities. For example, if you're talking to a customer about a particular product, you can log each interaction in the context of that deal. This makes it much easier to see where customers are in the sales cycle and whether your communication strategy needs adjustment. The fourth thing to mention is the reporting feature. TeamGate lets you run reports that give you insights into how well you're managing customer interactions. You can see metrics like response times, deal progress, and activity frequency, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve your sales process. While these features are solid, there are a few things that TeamGate can improve on, like customization of reports. The ability to tailor reports more specifically to your needs could make the tracking of customer interactions even more valuable. It also lacks a bit when it comes to automation for follow-ups. This is a key area where some alternatives can actually outperform TeamGate, especially for teams that need to scale customer interactions. Now, before we wrap up, here's something you should know. We've partnered with TeamGate to give you an exclusive extended free trial that's only available through our link. But that's not all. I'm also going to share some other tools that might be a better fit for tracking customer interactions. Let's take a look at some strong competitors that might suit your needs even better. For example, CRM software like HubSpot or Zoho CRM are both very user-friendly and come with better automation features for follow-up sequences. They offer more customizable reporting options as well, which could make it easier to track customer interactions across multiple channels. If you're looking for a more advanced solution, tools like Salesforce might be a good choice for larger teams, although they come with a steeper learning curve. In conclusion, TeamGate CRM offers solid features for tracking customer interactions, but there are other CRM options that may better suit your needs, especially if you require more customization or automation. Remember, through our exclusive link, you can access a great free trial of TeamGate CRM, along with some additional benefits. If you're still unsure which CRM to choose, be sure to check out those other alternatives that could work even better for you. You'll be able to take advantage of free trials and special offers that are only available for our viewers. So, if you're serious about optimizing how you track customer interactions, don't miss out on those offers and alternatives in the description below.